My favorite holiday tradition will have to be getting a Christmas tree with my family every year and decorating it.
My favorite holiday tradition is eating blueberry French toast on Christmas morning.
My favorite holiday tradition is that every year, me and my cousins do a present swap where we don't know what we're going to get and we pass them around until we think we got the right present.
During Christmas Eve, my whole family, we go out shopping and we buy gifts for each other the night of, and then we put them under the Christmas tree, and then the next day we go and open them. But, you know, it's kind of a nice little thing that we do for each other before the holiday.
Making gingerbread houses.
Every single year, my family and I hide a pickle ornament, and every year somebody gets an extra present, whoever finds it.
Driving around looking at Christmas lights.
Probably seeing all of my siblings at my house on Christmas, because we usually get to see each other about twice a year. Cutting down a Christmas tree.
We all go to my grandma's house, and all of our little cousins and second cousins come in, and we play these games on the floor with like puzzles and everything, and it's really fun.
Decorating my house for Christmas.
Yeah, my favorite holiday tradition is going to New York and Radio City Music Hall and seeing the Rockette Winter Spectacular show.
My favorite holiday tradition is making gingerbread houses with my cousins every year on Christmas Eve. We either go to their house or they come to mine, and we always make gingerbread houses and just like laugh and have a good time.
My family makes our New Year's resolutions on Christmas, and then we put them on a box, and then we open them next Christmas.